Batangas BTS, Batangas BTS. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. Do you read me loud and clear? Over.
Burgundy, this is VTS Batangas. I read you excellent, loud and clear. Change to channel 1, 2, over.
BTS Batangas. Changing to channel 1, 2, over.
Motor Vessel Burgundy, this is VTS Batangas. What is your ETA at Pilot Station, over?
BTS Batangas. My ETA of pilot station is 0800 hours. Local time, over.
Motor Vessel Burgundy, what is your call sign, over?
BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Burgundy. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3, over.
Motor Vessel Burgundy, what type of cargo are you carrying and how many person on board, over?
BTS Batangas. I carry iron ore and we are 3-4 person on board, over.
Motor Vessel Burgundy, what was your last port of call and your gross tonnage, over?
BTS Batangas. My last port of call is Japan and my gross tonnage is 23210 tonnage, over.
MV Burgundy, do you carry any dangerous goods, over?
BTS Batangas. I carry dangerous cargo on board. 2 5 liters of IMDG Class 3, over.
MV Burgundy, your message is understood. You must call when you pass an Alpha Island on channel 1, 2, over.
BTS Batangas. We call when we pass Alpha Island. Channel 1, 2, over.
MV Burgundy, standby channel 10 on 16 and 12, out.